How to create Crunchyroll account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create Crunchyroll account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So for this video, you can use the Crunchyroll app, which is available on your App Store and Google Play Store, or you can simply head over to Crunchyroll's website. So open either one, and after you open either one, you'll see an option called Create Account on the bottom. If you already do have an account, tap on the login button to sign in. So for this video, we'll tap on the create account button on the bottom. After you do that, what you'll need to do is you will need to type in your email address. So just type in your email address. And after you type in your email address, just type in your password. So let me do that and type in a password. You can create a password. It's just really easy. And tap on create account. After you tap on create account, make sure that you have also checked box on your privacy policies. And after you've created the account, you will get this option to subscribe. So I'll just skip this for now. And after doing that, you can just choose your profile. And after you choose your profile, you have just now created your Crunchyroll account. And it's that simple. Thanks for watching guys. That is how you can register or sign up for Crunchyroll account. Stay tuned for more.